This is called the speed.
What's with every one of these Apple products?
Dissection. Alright, so this is the umbilical cord.
Don't get her face in it, alright?
Don't worry.
So I might have just cut something.
Just don't say her name, that's all.
Why is it juiced out?
I might have just cut something on accident. Remember how I was telling you it's
Be
really
careful.
soft? Yeah. That's okay though. Down here it's going to be stomach and intestines, so that's okay. Now the cool thing about fetal pigs is they are very, very similar to humans. Alright, almost exactly. There's no weird fat bodies like we found in the frogs. Alright. So, there we go. I'm going to go ahead and...
Stop acting like little kindergartners!
Take two.
Why is it blue?
Well, you know what's really cool about dissectables is sometimes they dye it so that you can know what parts were oxygenated, what parts were deoxygenated.
Yeah, that's how the shark was. That's how the shark was. We had to dissect the shark and they dyed him like yellow and blue and purple and stuff like that.
Inside of the shark?
Yeah. And we had to cut them open and they're like staples because they were already cut open.
You wanted to say something fetal pig too?
What do we know about comparative embryology, guys? You remember that?
Yeah, look the same.
We all look the same. At what point can we start to tell the difference?
After
They are more fatter.
When they are born.
Second, almost third trimester, right? Once they're born. Because we all look like aliens, right?
So who got this pig?
Huh?
Who got the pig?
This is actually Dr. Combriati's pig. I asked him if we could use it, and he said we could.
Cool.
Because those already dead?
Well, he has, because his class is anatomy and phys, and that's what they got. Vessel. I'm going to cut that vessel. That's all right. For the sake of science. All right, so this is very, very, very similar to a human.
Very.
Okay, incredibly similar. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look.
So his pig died?
Yeah. This pig actually was never born. Okay, so let's talk about what we see here. Can anyone tell me what this large structure is here?
The heart?
That's right, it's the heart. What about these two structures on the side?
Lungs.
Very good. And we know that they are all connected, right?
Yes.
Okay. Anybody want to guess what this giant thing is here?
The liver?
Good job. It's ginormous, huh?
Yeah, very.
So if somebody kicks you in the stomach, this is very similar to the location of where they would be. Your liver is going to be. Yeah. It happens, right? Isn't that a move?
Yeah, in MMA.
I'll be right back.
Okay. All right. So now when we lift the lobes of the liver, okay, we're going to find some very neat things. Right here is a J-shaped sac. What is that?
Stomach.
Very good. The stomach. What is this?
The gallbladder.
Not the gallbladder.
The appendix.
Not the
No,
appendix.
that's not the appendix.
It's the spleen. Very good. Now, what on earth is all this crazy?
Small and large intestine.
Small intestine, and when we lift it up, okay, we're gonna see the large intestine's gonna, we can kind of follow it. This is the anus, right? If we follow it down, large intestine's gonna start. Looks like
I wonder why is it so long?
the small intestine.
Yes.
So the pigs get big.
That's how long, remember, that's, ours is very, very, very long
Yeah,
as
but
well.
why wouldn't you just make it short and, like, I guess more direct?
Well, because the small intestine, a lot of things need to happen here. This is where the pancreas, with the help of the liver and the help of the gallbladder, are all getting nutrients out of food
Oh, okay.
when digesting food.
I can't.
I was gonna say, if it's just
So here's your
transporting it, why wouldn't it just be direct?
What are these two things back here?
Kidneys?
Yeah, I think it is. Yep, those are two kidneys back here.
Some big kidneys.
Yeah, those are, huh? So some things, I'm not sure exactly when this came out of in utero, like how far along it was. Obviously, it must have been in the 3rd trimester.
Yeah, because it seems pretty.
Seems
kinda-
pretty developed.
Yeah, yeah.
Just the eyes
Yeah.
out there.
Yeah, when we look, eyes are
Still shut.
closed.
But don't they say shut for a few months?
Go ahead, Hope.
Because aren't they blind?
Yeah, they're going to be blind for a while. It's going to be difficult for them. Their cognitive ability, cognitive processes has to develop because their brain has to develop. There we go. Good job, Hope. Okay. Nice. So there's an eye. Notice that there is no what?